Yung authenticity, maintained niya because yun na yung bridge. So, ang pinaka-importanting secret namin ni Sam is yung number 6 strategy. Kaya siya, when she talks to people, yung authenticity, maintained niya because yun na yung bridging.
Oh.
When she bridges, when she tries to communicate with people, yun yung sinasabi ko sa kanya na, baby girl, dapat aalamin mo, pakikinggan mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng host, anong binabasa sa Q&A. So yung keywords, tinuturo ko sa kanya. Ginagawa niya yon. So when she tried to answer the question about pandemic, di ba? Paano yung, ano mo question mo about yung sa age, di ba?
Yeah.
If there is only one dose of COVID-19 vaccine left, who to give it to? Either a 15-year-old or a 70-year-old senior citizen.
Alam niyo na kung bakit gano'n
So,
nasagot
yun pala
niya.
yung 6 strategies
Yes.
na apply pala sa akin ni Miss Jen.
Yes.
Yes!